Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're tackling a surprising truth about a common habit: skipping breakfast. You might think it's harmless or even helpful for cutting calories, but what if I told you it could backfire in a big way? Stick with me for the next couple of minutes, because this might just change the way you start your mornings. When you skip breakfast, your body doesn't just let it slide. Instead, it shifts into survival mode. Your brain craves quick energy. That's when you start reaching for sugary snacks or high-calorie meals later in the day because your body is trying to make up for the fuel it missed in the morning. Studies show that skipping breakfast can actually increase your hunger hormones, making it harder to resist overeating. You might think you're saving time or cutting calories, but skipping that first meal often leads to bigger portions, extra snacks, or those late-night food cravings that leave you feeling sluggish and guilty. But here's the good news. A healthy breakfast doesn't have to be fancy or time-consuming. Even something simple, like a bowl of oatmeal with fruit, a smoothie, or whole grain toast with avocado, can give your body the energy it needs to stay balanced and satisfied throughout the day. Eating breakfast has been linked to better focus, improved energy, and fewer cravings later. It's not just about food, it's about setting the tone for your entire day. And who doesn't want a day where they feel in control and energized, instead of battling that midday crash? So, the next time you think about skipping breakfast, remember this: that one small decision can have a ripple effect on the rest of your day. Fuel your body early, and it'll thank you later. Here at Health Options 101, we're all about helping you make small changes that lead to big results. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always too busy for breakfast. Remember, your health is your foundation for everything else. Thanks for watching, and here's to starting your mornings right. See you next time.